Let me show you how to unlock your permanently locked Snapchat account. Now, if you're on Snapchat and you get a message, maybe it looks like this. It says your account has been temporarily or permanently locked. I'll walk you through the steps to get that fixed. It's a bit different depending on why your account is locked. Now, the first thing we're going to do is hop into Snapchat and, of course, just try to log in and see if it gives you some prompts to fix it. If it doesn't give you prompts, there are some ways to definitely get that fixed. Let's head into a web browser instead. And on here, we're going to just type in Snapchat locked account. There are a couple different things that we'll go to, but the very first one is my Snapchat account is locked here at the very top. Now you can see it says there are a couple different reasons why. It might have been locked because you were violating the Snapchat community guidelines. It might have been a temporary lock. Your account might have been compromised, etc. Let's first just go to a temporary lock. A lot of people just get temporary locks for 24 hours or a week or something like that. On here, it says my account was temporarily locked, and it a lot of times is due to third-party apps or the use of third-party apps or plugins that Snapchat doesn't allow. These might be mass follow or mass unfollow apps, stuff like that. Now, if you scroll down, it says there are a couple other reasons why it might be locked or temporarily locked, and it says please wait 48 hours. So if it is a temporary lock, all you need to do is just wait for those 48 hours. However, let's say it's not. It's a permanent lock on your account. Let's scroll down here and open up my account was compromised and locked just to be safe. Now on here, it does say to learn more, you can hit compromise, and you can also hit contact Snapchat support. This is one way you can contact them, but I'll show you also a second way that's a bit better to contact them if you don't run into any progress or help here. Now on here, you can always just ask for questions here, and this is kind of the Snapchat AI bot that will try to help you, but sometimes it doesn't work that well. If this doesn't work for you, let's go back out of here, back again. And now on here, we're going to, instead of typing a Snapchat locked account, we're going to type in Snapchat locked account appeal and hit search. And now you can see how to submit a locked account appeal. Let's go through that process instead. It says what types of accounts are locked, again, community guidelines and how to submit appeal. You can see locked accounts appeals may be on the Snapchat app. To access them, just open up the Snapchat app and tap on the appeal decision button. So see if there's an appeal decision button when you try to log into Snapchat. However, if there is not, you can go through the process of contacting them. And basically you can do that by, again, going back to the my Snapchat account is locked. And then on here, you can go through a couple of these. You can see my account was locked, and we can go to compromised here. Now, if your account was compromised or you think that it was compromised, you can go and hit contact support here. By going here, you can see it says, why can't you access your account? And you can say, maybe I think it was compromised. And on here, you can enter in your username, your email, your phone number. But most importantly, it says, how can we help you? Now, I wrote up a quick guide here. Let me just open up my notes here. Essentially, it says, I'm super sorry if I broke any rules. I've checked out the community guidelines and promise I won't do it again. I really need this account back to help me talk to my friends. Basically, you can just copy and paste that exact same thing. Paste it in the how we can help you. And then hit the submit button at the very bottom. They should get back to you within a few days, helping you to recover your locked account. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and subscribe if this helps.